In the heart of Yorubaland, where tradition and modernity often intersect, a visionary Islamic leader is charting a new path. His name is Sheikh Dawood Imran Al-Hassan, the Grand Mufti of Yorubaland and Amir of Jamaatul Ta'awun al-Muslimin, a man whose mission transcends sermons and scripture. Is building a society brick by brick, where Islam is not just practiced but lived in its totality. Born into a Yoruba Muslim family, Sheikh Dawood Imran Al-Hassan grew up witnessing both the beauty and the struggles of being a Muslim in a culturally rich yet religiously diverse region. Determined to protect and project the dignity of Islam among the Yoruba people, he founded Jamaatul Ta'awun al-Muslimin, a socio-religious movement committed to Islamic revivalism, education, and community empowerment. For the Grand Mufti of Yorubaland, Sheikh Dawood Imran Al-Hassan, Islam is not confined to the mosque or madrasa. It is a complete way of life. A quote attributed to him summarizes this belief that Islam is not theory, it is practical, it is lived, it is seen, it is built. With this conviction, he has worked tirelessly to reorientate Yoruba Muslims towards a holistic understanding of their faith, one that touches governance, education, health, economy, and culture. Perhaps his most ambitious and visionary project is the creation of Darul Hijra village, a fully functional Islamic settlement established as a sanctuary for Muslims seeking to live according to Islamic principles. Located in Osun State, this modern village offers Islamic housing unit, a centralized mosque, Islamic schools and institutions, a land market, local trade network. The village stands today as a bold testament to Sheikh Dawood Imran Al-Hassan's vision, a community where Muslims can live free from moral compromise, practice their faith, and raise generations rooted in Islamic values. Understanding the foundational role of institutions in societal transformation, Sheikh Dawood Imran Al-Hassan has established Ta'awun College of Education, training Muslim teachers who will carry Islamic values into mainstream classrooms. Ta'awun College of Health Technology, addressing the health key needs of the Muslim population while integrating faith-based ethics into medical practice. Islamic market centers, promoting ethical trade, financial independence, and halal entrepreneurship for the Muslim community. These institutions are not only addressing socio-economic challenges, but also reshaping the identity of Yoruba Muslims in contemporary Nigeria. Beyond his role as a builder of institutions, Sheikh Dawood Imran Al-Hassan, the Grand Mufti of Yorubaland, is also a reformer, challenging long-standing misconceptions, advocating for Muslims' rights, and encouraging political consciousness among Muslims. He has consistently spoken against secularism in Muslims' life and warns against compartmentalizing Islam into rituals alone. Through his sermons, writing, and leadership, he advocates for an Islam that is relevant, resilient, and revolutionary. The Grand Mufti of Yorubaland is not just a scholar or cleric, he is a movement. His efforts continue to inspire thousands across Yorubaland and Nigeria at large. He is planting seeds not just for today, but for generations of Muslims who will inherit a more confident, self-sufficient, and spiritually anchored community. In every stone of Darul Hijra, a community built by the Grand Mufti of Yorubaland, in every student of Ta'awun College, in every sermon echoing across Yorubaland, the legacy of Sheikh Dawood Imran Al-Hassan lives, a legacy that calls us back to the essence of Islam, not just a religion, bet a way of life. A visionary of faith, a builder of civilization.